Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Internetworking, which comes under the third module of Computer Networks and Security. This lecture is meant for Semester 3 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss internetworking. When two or more computer LANs or WANs connected using devices such as a router and configured by logical addressing scheme with a protocol such as IP, then it is called as computer internetworking. Internetworking started as a way to connect disparate types of computer networking technology. The standard reference model for internetworking is Open Systems Interconnection. Types of internetworking. Internetworking is implemented in layer 3, that is network layer of this model. The most notable example of internetworking is the internet. There are three variants of internetwork or internetworking: extranet, intranet and internet. Extranet. An extranet is a network of internetwork that is limited in scope to a single organization or entity, but which also has limited connections to the networks of one or more. Technically, an extranet may also be categorized as a MAN, WAN or other type of network. An extranet cannot consist of a single LAN. It must have at least one connection with an external network. Intranet. An intranet is a set of internetworking using the Internet Protocol and uses IP based tools such as web browsers and FTP tools that is under the control of a single administrative entity. That administrative entity closes the intranet to the rest of the world and allows only specific users. Most commonly, an intranet is the internal network of a company or other enterprise. A large intranet will typically have its own web server to provide users with browsable information. Internet. A specific internetworking consisting of a worldwide interconnection of governmental, academic, public and private networks based upon the Advanced Research Projects Agency network, that is ARPANET, developed by ARPA of the US Department of Defense, also home to the World Wide Web and referred to as the Internet. Next, we can discuss datagram. A datagram is a unit of transfer associated with networking. The packet sent across the TCP/IP layer is called an IP datagram. Source and destination address in a datagram header are IP address. They are typically structured in header and payload sections. Each router along the networking path receives datagram and uses the destination address to determine next loop to which datagram should be sent. The router forwards datagram again to the next loop and reaches destination. The router keeps the information in a routing table. Datagrams provide a connectionless communication service across a packet switched network. The delivery, arrival time and order of arrival of datagrams need not be guaranteed by the network. The characteristics of datagram are: data is transmitted from source to destination without guarantee of delivery. Data is frequently divided into smaller pieces and transmitted without a defined route. Next is fragmentation. Fragmentation is an Internet Protocol process that breaks packets into smaller pieces, that is fragments, so that the resulting pieces can pass through a link with a smaller maximum transmission unit, that is MTU, than the original packet size. Each network technology defines a maximum amount of data that can be transmitted in a packet. The limit is known as the network maximum transaction unit. The process of creating the copy of original datagram from fragment is called reassembling. The fragments are reassembled by the receiving host. Each fragment uses the IP datagram formed but carries only part of the data. Each fragment carries some data from original datagram and have IP headed similar to the original datagram. In this lecture, we have discussed internetworking, datagram and fragmentation. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.